To test different images to see what works best as a thumbnail for your product and collection pages, go into your Neat A/B testing dashboard and choose Product Attribute Test. Select the product you want to test in the pop-up window. Scroll down to images where your product photos are kept. Whichever image is in the first spot will show up as your thumbnail on your product page, collection page, and search results. You can change the first image by grabbing any image and putting it in the first spot. To add a new image, click in the product photo box and a window will pop up for you to select an image directly off of your computer. To remove an image for your test, just click Remove File below the image. Then scroll down and select your cycle time, and then you can start your test, save it as a draft to work on later, or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.